Is Google Chrome failing to load your favorite extensions? Don't worry, you're not alone, and in this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes to solve the issue. Solution 1. End Chrome task. First, click the search icon and type CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now type the following command: taskil/mchrome.exe/f and press Enter. This will force Chrome to fully close. After that, reopen Chrome and check if your extensions are working again. Solution 2. Clear cache and cookies. Open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security from the left menu. Click Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time, then make sure cache and cookies are selected. Finally, click Clear Data. Once that's done, restart Chrome and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reset Google Chrome. If the problem continues, go back into Settings. From the left menu, click Reset Settings, then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Chrome will be restored to its default state. After this, your extension should load properly again. And that's how you fix Chrome not loading extensions on your computer.